Hi, my name is Mick O'Brien. I'm the founder of Performance Brake Systems. We're a Canadian manufacturer that makes very custom, bespoke, two-piece rotors, both in steel and carbon ceramic, completely customized. So these are my carbon ceramic rotors. The advantage here is they're less than 1/3 the weight of the normal two-piece iron. So this guy right here is about 12 pounds versus 37 pounds for its iron equivalent. They're guaranteed for 300,000 kilometers. And as you can see, you can customize it for the aluminum hat. The bolt system you can customize as well. Just great performance, great gripping power. My background is actually in quality control and manufacturing. I spent about 25 years working for the major company that sold all of the quality and testing equipment for all of the carbon, ceramic, and steel rotor manufacturers around the world. You could say I'm a subject matter expert when it comes to quality of both the iron and the carbon ceramic. My carbon ceramic rotors are what's called third generation, which means they're coated with a silicon carbonate coating, which is the second hardest substance next to diamond. That means they'll last approximately 300,000 kilometers over the life of the vehicle. Silicon carbonate has great properties, both in grip and release. So these are my iron rotors. They're about 20% lighter than the normal one piece because you've got the aluminum hat, which is very lightweight, military spec, and then the iron friction disc. All of my discs are electrolytically coated, so there'll be no rust other than the friction area here. And I can color match the steel to the hat.